Hello tubes, good day. Well, it's a Volvo, but it's an oldie. I think it's a 59. It's the big model, the nice round model with the huge fenders. Let's see, yep, it's a 444, you see? It's a nice 444 Volvo. But there are many other interesting things here. Well, we know all these old Jags, that's normal. An old 504 with a French license plate. The last numbers of the old plates are always the department, so the province or the part of France where they come from. Looks good. Oh, made in Russia. Lada 4x4 niva. Whoa, nice. Comes from The Hague. I know that city. See, nice 4x4. Let's turn around. Saabs. An old Volvo again. A newer Volvo. Oh, this is too new, and oh, you recognize it by the nose. It's an old Jag, and it's a shiny one. It looks good. Oh, that surely looks good. Nice black leather interior. Watch out for the water. Yep. It's a genuine V12. Well, more modern things. Saabs. An old BMW. Converted into a, well, rally car. Let's see. Oh, there's something hidden beneath it. It's a small MG. Oh, it's a 1502. So no, the 69. It's a 1502. Well, a small Sprite. Real scrap. Another old Volvo. Well, you know this one. Ooh, it's a V6 Peugeot. A nice 504 V6 Peugeot. Convertible. Leather interior. Manual. And there's another surprise here, hidden between the normal cars. Yep, it's a genuine Lotus XL. At least I think it's an XL. Is it an XL? Yep, it's a Lotus XL. Plastic exhaust pipes. Some more Volvos from France, and from the S is from Sweden. Yep. Well, they're building a nice extension here. Toilet. Oh, it's quite a busy intersection here from the middle of the Netherlands to the direction of Amsterdam. Gas prices, ooh, that's a lot. Diesel 130, ooh, €1.30, eh? That's a nice Alpha. Nice Triumph. Oh, they're working on it. a small Fiat 500, oh sorry, a Fiat 600, it's a bigger one. That's a 600. Yep, it's a 600. Nice blue color. An old Rover. 3500, the 3500S. Nice. Nice brown leather interior. A nice old CX5 CX. Let's see, no plate on it. No, it's an old Citroen CX. Next to a shiny MG. And an old Army 8. An old Citroen Army 8. Again from France. That one looks good. Let's check. No coating, so no rust. The old Michelin tires are on. Watch out for the gate. It's a nice collection of old classics. Well, from this friendly and small firm, from this busy intersection, be seeing you, Cubers. Bye bye.